In this video, we will learn about C++'s main function. The main function is the starting point for a program to execute. C++ programs can be made up of many files, functions, and lines of code, and it is important that the computer is clear on where to start when executing the program. In its most basic form, the main function in C++ looks like this. It is important to note that the main function of a C++ program will always have a return type of int. You may also see the main function taking in arguments, like this. When the main function has these arguments, it is so that they can be supplied when the program is run via the command line. As such, we call them command line arguments. argc and argv are the traditional names for these arguments, but you can name them whatever you want. I encourage you to stick to this convention though, so that your code is more easily read and understood by other programmers. The integer argument, typically named argc, is an integer that is greater than or equal to 1. It is the length of the array passed in as the second argument. The body of the main function goes inside of the curly braces.